And guess what?
What?
The weather
my
trivia.
Goodness.
I'm introducing a new segment. We haven't had it on for so long.
Missed it.
Well, we've had some serious news, so it wasn't appropriate. But anyway, we have a question that looks at rainfall. And this one asks, which one of these locations has had the most rainfall in the past 12 months? We're looking back 365 days. It's a tricky question. Would it be Seattle, Washington, beautiful Blue Canyon, or Houston, Texas? You know, all stations in the southeast, Houston, New Orleans, they've all been in the news because of hurricanes and talking about rainfall. So we thought we'd ask this one. Seattle, Blue Canyon, or Houston, which one has had the most rainfall in the past 12 months? The answer for you in just a second. All right, Futurecast numbers today. Ooh, it's looking like summertime to me. 93, yep. We were in the 90s yesterday in many locations. We will repeat again today. And the 5-day shows big cooling trend coming over the weekend, but a couple of toasty summer-like days headed our way. And of course, no rainfall here, although we did have some rainfall in the past week. But these stations tend to be real rainy over the past 12 months. Which one? Seattle, Blue, or Houston,
Well,
Texas?
Tom, we think Seattle you threw in there just to throw us.
Decoy.
And
Would
we
I
think
ever
that
do that?
Decoy city.
And I think Houston, even though they did get some rain from the hurricane, it kind of missed it a little bit. So we're going with Blue Canyon. Big ski season over
They
the
had
winter.
a huge
Right.
ski season.
You're talking about the last 12 months, right?
Blue, yes, 12 months.
Okay.
All right, Blue Canyon. Traffic says
I'll take Houston, please, for 5.
Houston, Texas. And is Rich in this one? Rich says Seattle.
Coco.
Maybe he fell for the decoy if that's the case. Blue Canyon, says Abbott.
Last year.
And coming in from the South Pacific, along with the El Nino. How is the El Nino? How is the El Nino, sir? Thank you. And the El Nino.
What's making those bubbles?
It's the El Nino. He says Houston, Texas. Steve Davis also fell for Seattle. Go back out there. And the actual answer is, and thanks to your in-depth analysis,
that's right.
Blue Canyon over the top, 65 inches of precip, rain and melted snow.
Knew it.
Oh, well,
That's good
Houston
thinking
has
there,
been in the
Toma.
news, yes.
Here comes Bubble Boy.
And everybody fell for Seattle, and you were right, Nick. It was a ruse. Thank you.
Yes.
Very good, Blue Canyon, yes. And back from the El Nino, thank you. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. You know, there's something.
Hey, you better watch out. You're going to get the bends if you come up too fast.
Okay, come on.
Out of control today, boy. It feels like a Friday all of a sudden. All right.
Wish it were.
Better Homes and Gardens.
And Tom Loffman's got our forecast. Hey, Tom.
Now we're getting really creative. Oh, gosh. What are they going to do to me next? All right, thank you. That's enough for the Munchkins. All right. We're looking for some changes in the weather. People are getting grumpy. And speaking of changes, how about some rainfall in the month of August? Which one of these locations has the most rainfall on the average in the month of August? Is it in Seattle, Washington, land of McClary, Lahaina on the island of Maui, or in Phoenix, Arizona? All right, Seattle, Lahaina, or Phoenix? August rainfall, the answer for you in just a second. And for us today, no rainfall, but another hot one. In fact, a little warmer than yesterday, so up near triple digits again. Nice in the mountains, nice along the coast. And the 5-day forecast. We got a hot one for a couple of days, then we begin to cool off, and next week we see some changes with cooler weather coming in. And speaking of changes, as we were, which one of these locations has the most August rainfall? Seattle, Washington, Lahaina on the island of Maui, or Phoenix in Arizona? It's a tough choice.
Well, we are both going with Phoenix, Arizona, because of the monsoon. Very wet time of year there.
Monsoon.
I'd vote for Marianne because she's lived there.
I lived there.
In Seattle.
All right. Well, she's lived in Seattle, too. All right, traffic team
I
says
have no idea, so I picked Lahaina.
Lahaina.
What about CHP?
Sounds good. Hey, is that a plumeria? Look at that down there. Arizona and Lahaina. Oh, we have choices all over the place. Do we have newsroom participation? Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Oh, everybody all over the place. I think Mark has been doing a little research, except I can't find the
I
guy.
don't think anyone picked Seattle, though.
Oh! Oh, please. Lahaina. You see, we are talking about rainfall, and Mark came down from the sky. Yes, sir.
Raining Mark.
Like
All
the
right,
rain.
Steve Davis
About which
says
we are being-
Maui. And the actual answer is, oh, can't put one over on you. Phoenix, the monsoon in
Yeah, you
Arizona.
can't pull
Yes,
over on
the
Someone who
monsoon.
lived in Arizona.
Oh, gosh, that's all right. I like your plumeria. Looks nice. Yes, we
I always
have
knew
Rich
Rich was
in
brilliant.
Arizona. Absolutely.
Rich is brilliant.
Ah, we've had some right answers. Phoenix again, yes.
And Abbott
Very
as well.
good. All right. Oh, no. Oh,
I ascended back to the heavens. I didn't get the answer. What was it?
what's Phoenix? Oh, wait. Oh, my. You know, he used to work in the weather lab. Now he has ascended to greater heights.
Oh, yeah.
Back to you guys.
All right, Tom.
All right.
Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and